Hi.
Hi, what are we doing today?
We're going on a big walk, and which walk are we going on to?
Minnehaha.
We're going to Minnehaha.
It's a big walk.
It's a really big walk. How big is it?
3 kilometers.
It's 3 kilometers. It means like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
No,
16.
I mean 3,000 meters.
And it's 3,000 meters.
It's gonna be a big walk.
And I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Don't be so dramatic. Okay,
Bye. See you later.
Right, we've done a slight detour to Wentworth Falls first. Hopefully we're in the right spot. Do a short walk before a big walk. Hopefully. It might be big still. It's pretty cold though.
It is.
But lucky we'll get warmer when we do our warm-ups.
Do a burpee.
No, I'm not doing that. Hong Kong.
Wow, look. It's still beautiful.
And we saw the 3 sisters again.
No, I don't think that's the 3 sisters. So Wentworth Falls Lookout 300 metre level path. That's alright.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
No, I'm sorry. But I thought I stepped on the toe.
So my right leg is killing me from our walk 2 days ago. So hopefully get the lactic acid moving because it's pretty bad.
Piggyback.
Dad, can I have something I'm cold?
Yeah.
Wow. How beautiful. Oh. Keen to get moving. Can you see Bubba? You cold, honey? We've just come across a fireplace in the middle of the mountain. I wonder what. How?
I'm not sure. It doesn't look like any other foundations, does it?
No.
What is that?
A fireplace.
I think it just kept people warm when they were here.
How
A
weird.
fireplace.
There's not even like any information on it.
No.
But how?
Don't know.
Because it has water in it.
So we're going to do the Fletcher's Lookout.
It
Wentworth.
is a long way. Try again.
It will be when it will be. Let's do it. Oh, look at that.
Are we allowed to swim in there?
No. Right, we're on the edge of the cliff. Oh, I can see a rosella in the tree.
Good spotting, Mum.
Good spotting, Mum.
Thank you. There it is. There it goes. You right, honey?
Just
Pretty
doing my own
steep.
safety.
Pardon?
I'm just doing.
Yeah, you do it slow and safe. You hold on to the rail if you...
Safety that I want to do.
Well, you can hold on to the rail. Okay. So good. Good girl. You're doing a good job. Wow. Yeah. We're on. Oh, hear Dad's echo?
Yeah?
Yeah? You gonna go over there and echo?
Okay.
How good. There's the waterfall. The car is, I don't know, somewhere up there. Who cares? Wow. Did you echo?
Echo! Yeah, I did. I said, hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Oh man. Wow. Ready?
Hold on to the rail. What? Ho ho. Epic.
Woo-hoo!
That was cool.
Can I try?
Yep.
Wait till you're down there.
I am pooping my pants.
Is it really high?
Oh man.
Or
Ready? Woo!
Hang on, can I try?
don't scream.
No,
Just
you're not climbing.
I'm
get
just
your,
holding onto the rail. Woo-hoo!
you need to do it louder than that.
Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
How, like, all of that is, it's obviously not flat. It just like wraps around. I don't know whether you can see on the camera.
Hi.
Down there, it just keeps going and going and going. Oh,
Chocolate!
far out.
It's chocolate! Echo!
Is that a good walk? Yeah? What was the best bit? Don't know. The waterfall? Doesn't matter.
Nothing. I was just thinking if you wanted to move sleeper.
I dropped my apple. Oh. I'll have a bite of yours, it's alright. I'm not overly hungry. Just thought I'd get some calories. What was Dad's favourite bit?
Oh. The cliff walk, but I also liked getting the drone footage of the waterfall. I hope that'll look pretty good.
Sure it will.
That was Mum's favourite bit.
Probably the waterfall. I reckon.
Yep.
All of it?
All of it, yeah.
All of it? Watching you do it, you did a good job. I wonder how far it was.
20 kilometers?
No, not 20. Maybe 1.5.
1.5.
1.5 kilometres. So,
Even with the steps.
yeah, 1,500 metres.
Mm.
Mm.
I'm proud of me.
Yeah,
And I'm proud of myself.
good.